now we follow. Yonder, yes, yonder, yonder, yonder.
Cloud puffball, torn tops, tossed pillows, flung forth in Chevy on an air-built thoroughfare. Heaven roisterers in gay gangs they throng, they glitter in marches down rough cast, down dazzling whitewash. Whenever an elm arches, shiv lights and shadow tackle in long lashes, lace, lance, and pear. Delightfully the bright wind boisterous, ropes, wrestles, beats earth bare of yester tempest's creases. In pool and rug peel parches, squandering oozed squeezed dough, crust, dust, stanches, starches, squadroned masks and man marks, treadmire toil there, foot fretted in. Million fueling, nature's bonfire burns on. But quench her bonniest, dearest to her, her clearest selvage spark, man. How fast his fire did, his mark on mine is gone. Both are in an unfathomable. All is in an enormous dark drown. Oh, pity and indignation. Man's shape that shone sheer off, disarrow, a star. Death blots black out. Nor mark is any of him at all so stark, but vastness blurs and time beats level. Enough. The resurrection, a heart's clarion, a wave grieves gasping, joyless days, dejection. Across my foundering deck shone a beacon, an eternal beam. Flesh, faith, and mortal trash fall to the residuary worm. World's wildfire leave but ash. In a flash, at a trumpet crash, I am all at once what Christ is, since he was what I am, and this jack, joke, poor potsherd, patch, matchwood, immortal diamond,